It don't even matter on that part. You just want to get up and over that and keep going on your pipe for a little bit. So you could either measure down here to your first obstruction, which is like 51 is like right where your first, right at the edge there, 51. Or you can measure it out if you're up in the air or whatever. 51, okay. So let's make a mark there. Now remember, there's my last box and everything. Here's my first mark, I'm going to call it A. Now I'm going from this mark I just put on the floor, my last box. We're going to bend always towards back that way. Now 5 inches, we're going to do 45-degree bends to make it a little cleaner and everything. It's a little harder for the wire to pull, but the pipe will look a lot nicer when you do this. Our first obstruction is 51 inches right here. You can make a mark, or if you're up in the air, there's 51 inches to your first obstruction. We know we have a 5-inch obstruction we have to go over. So, 51 inches. Now, on our shrinkage, we know it's 3/8 rise per inch, right? We'll get into that and look at the chart here in a second. But 3/8 of rise per inch times 5 is an inch and 7/8. Inch and 7/8 is what you're going to add to this. So here's your 51. So you want to go 52 and 7/8. Right there. There's your new mark. That's what you go off. This way you're not chopping conduit or adding little weird pieces down there or whatever. Here's my new mark. That's a good thing about pencil. Get that out there, sort of wet your fingers, get it on out there. There's your new mark. Now for a 5-inch obstruction, you'll times that by 1.4. So there's the 5-inch obstruction. We're going to multiply that by 1.4. Okay? So we get 7 inches. So I'm going to go 7 inches back. There's my mark B. Okay, now we're going to put the star on the mark A. We're going to do 45-degree bends this time. Multiplier is 1.4. We already covered that. Here's 30 straight up and down. Now we're going to keep going a little bit more. Go to the 45-degree slash mark and get it just right there. We're just straight with the conduit and everything. There we go. Now we're going to take this out. I'm going to rotate this around. And we're going to do our next bend off the floor. Get it on the stop arrow right here. And watch out if people are around. There's already been a lot of people getting hurt around here just on this video alone. Right. Get it about even, where you feel comfortable and it's all in line. Watch out so you ain't gonna be pulling on it, have this slip up and get you right in the sack or whatever. Now what you're gonna do is bend that down to the 45-degree slash mark. And here's this, you can keep pressure on it, put it up there. Uh-oh, bend it down a little bit more. See, they're still trying to get in there. Get it down a little bit more, 45-degree slash mark. Spin that up. You can see it's still down. It's nice and even, it looks like. Just eyeball it and check it with a level. And that's about perfect. Yeah!